Most women don't have a productivity problem. They have a Sunday problem. And if you fix the Sunday, you fix the week. Here's what's actually happening. You're starting Monday already behind. No plan, no clarity, no intention, just reacting to whatever the week throws at you from the moment it begins. And then Friday arrives, and you wonder why nothing moved, why the same things are still on the list, why you feel busy but not built. That cycle has a name. We call it soft chaos, the low-level disorder that feels normal because you've been living inside it so long. It doesn't feel like a crisis. It just feels like life. But it is quietly costing you your momentum, your mental energy, and your sense of self-respect. Today, we're breaking it. One system, 1 hour, every Sunday. This is the reset that changes everything. And by the end of this video, you'll have it. This channel is built for women who are done drifting and ready to build intentionally. If you've been searching for how to get your life together, how to build a weekly routine that actually works, or how to stop feeling behind, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. The Sunday system is not a morning routine. It's not a productivity hack. It is a weekly identity reset. 1 hour where you step out of the noise, look at your life clearly, and make intentional decisions about the week ahead before the week makes them for you. Think of it like a pilot's pre-flight check. Before every single flight, no matter how experienced the pilot, they run through the same checklist. Not because they've forgotten, because clarity before takeoff prevents chaos in the air. Your week is the flight. Sunday is the pre-flight check. Skip it, and you're taking off blind. Here's exactly how the hour breaks down. First, the closeout. 10 minutes. You're looking back at the week that just ended. What did you complete? What carried over? What drained you? And what energized you? You are not judging, you are auditing. This is your data. Second, the clear out. 10 minutes. Brain dump everything that is sitting in your head. Tasks, worries, ideas, things you said you'd do. Get it out of your mind and onto paper. A cluttered mind cannot plan clearly. This step is non-negotiable. Third, the setup. 20 minutes. Look at the week ahead. What are the 3 things that must happen this week for you to feel like you move forward? Not 10 things. 3. Your non-negotiables. Block time for them now, before the week fills up with everyone else's urgency. Fourth, the fill in. 10 minutes. Everything else, appointments, admin, social, fitness, meal prep, fits around the 3 non-negotiables, not the other way around. Fifth, the anchor. 10 minutes. Set one intention for who you want to be this week, not what you want to do, who you want to be. Disciplined, present, boundaried, financially intentional. One word or one sentence that becomes your compass when the week gets hard. That is the system. 60 minutes, 5 steps, every Sunday, because this last part is the piece most people skip, and it's the most important. The Sunday system is not really about productivity. It's about self-respect. Every time you sit down on a Sunday and do this, you are sending yourself a message. The message is, my time matters, my goals matter, and I am a woman who runs her life with intention. That message compounds, week after week, until the woman who used to drift is completely unrecognizable. Soft chaos cannot survive structure, and structure starts with 1 hour, this Sunday. Save this video. You're going to want to come back to it every Sunday until this becomes who you are. And when you're ready to go deeper, the next video covers exactly why you can't stay consistent even when the system is in place. That one is already up. Go watch it next. Follow this channel. I'll see you there.